Hi, good morning. Yeah, see this one. This is a papaya actually. What is the highlight about this plant? If up means it's little bit difficult to pluck, and this is very easy. Immediately you can take it. I shown so many videos about the raw papaya salad and all, very healthy also. See what happened in my garden, everything because of the cyclone. Every year it will happen like this only. The heavy rains in Chennai. This is pineapple actually. If once it will grow, then I'll show that pineapple also. See this is a sitafal, custard apple, and this is the same only all the papaya and Madurai malli. This is the henna, mardani. Okay, all plants is gone. Yeah, this is in my chamanti. Everything nicely it's gone, and bringraj also. Everything is spoiled. See, this is mardani. Mardani means henna. Gorintaku. Okay. See, the smell is very, very nice. Yeah. See, everything is gone. This is a bringraj again. Now, palak also it gone totally. Only one is left. Yeah. See, because of that heavy rain, no, the water will be strained here only. Then you can't even do anything properly. I don't know how it will be remain this one only actually. This is sugar cane. So, now New Year is coming, no, 14th actually. In Telugu, we say Sankrantri, and here Pongal. That time it's very, very important for us to use this sugar cane. And I'll cut it and I'll give Naira. Even I will eat, I will enjoy the cutting and nicely I'm eating. And one more thing I want to tell you, actually, I will make all the seeds, brinjal. What is that one? No, gongura. Gongura means pulichakira also. See this one. This is the brinjal. See, this is very tasty actually. This brinjal, not brinjal. This only I'll keep it like this. Then after that I'll make the seeds, vinegar. And this is the gongura, pulichakura. But everybody will say this is so good, so good. But I don't know. But whenever I have time, definitely I will eat. This is also I'm making for the seeds at home only. See this one, organic. No, the taste is different. Yeah, that definitely I will tell you, so good. I can't even tell you when you are growing at home all the vegetables. We can't, how much you have place you can do. This is also very difficult to maintain the children and maintain the plants. Same only I'm telling, very tough. This one, all the bananas, I don't know how it remains, like, see this one also, it didn't even, I have to cut this flower. Then I'll make the sabji with that flower. Okay, see that one also. And come, I'll show so many Andhra banana, Bangalore banana, Tamil Nadu banana, Kerala banana, so many bananas I'll keep and I will eat. Really, one thing I want to tell you, these bananas, home, the home garden bananas, whatever vegetables and fruits also, so tasty. I can't even tell you. No chemicals, no pesticides, nothing. No, I think so, but I'm not sure about that. But even though so tasty, oh my God, unbelievable. Come, I'll show you a little bit. See, this one also. Yeah, this is Bangalore one, and this is for puja. This will say no Poombaram. This is a Poombaram, and that is Yalika from Bangalore one. Okay, Andhra, it's not there now. It's over now. Next time, if Andhra is there, then definitely I'll show. Okay, I'll put all that. Yeah, I will enjoy. Okay, all this one. This is very necessary for our body, our culture, and our everything. This is nutrition and everything. So very nice. It's very hot. Oh. Sometimes there is no sun and so rainy. And okay, yeah. Thank you so much. Enjoy all my plants. All cyclone all the time. Not cyclone, heavy rains, because of the sea, very difficult to maintain my plants. Yeah, but even though I'm maintaining little bit, okay. And next, one more thing I want to tell you, what that every time in Chennai that heavy rainfall, they will tell, okay, I'll keep my all the things, rice and chili powder, haldi, everything in the sun. Then they will announce, today it's heavy rain. Then I said, okay, everything I'll keep it inside. And next day I will see here and there, oh, the rain is coming, the sun is coming, it's not coming, like that. Again, what, I'll take all my bistar, bastar, everything out. That time only the heavy rain will come. Then again I will take it and keep it. My friends is asking, hey, ennadi pannitrike, what are you doing? See, all these things so difficult to maintain the house. Housewife and housework is so difficult to maintain. Maybe you people, everybody knows this is also, but anyhow, nowadays children don't know small things. Just I want to tell you, this is the life, this is, you have to accept, and small things only you have to enjoy. Don't even peep here and then. And social media and Instagram, that is then a show baji only. This is the life you have to maintain like this. Okay, this is also enjoyment only. That's it. Come on.